we are making a review about the Action Baby Carrier. This is our Action Baby Carrier. Action Baby Carriers offers different designs or prints. But we have here the happy print. So nice. We will show you how easy it is to put on. That is why this is one of my favorite. Tia, come here. Oops. Yung likod ko. Oo, panin natin yun. Mucho.
Sipon daw niya. Nakakaya daw. Yeah.
Here it is, it's done. When we are wearing the Action Baby Carrier, I will be able to use my hands to do other chores in the house, especially dishwashing, like this. My daughter also loves to be in this. Look at her. She enjoys this. With the Action Baby Carrier, it has this hood. I usually put this when it is raining or the sun is too hot. Yan. It has a lovely print and the straps. It is crisscross over on the back. Yan. You can see that. Then the hip belt. This is very nice. The hip belt is very useful. See? With the crisscross straps, the baby's weight is spread evenly on my back. So, I am not experiencing any backache compared to my first carrier. And the straps, this is adjustable. See? Easy to adjust. Use the hood, for example. Yeah. Cheers. 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 Oops. I also love using the Action Baby Carrier because I can breastfeed in this. You can see. Just loosen the straps a little bit, not too much. Then the straps on the back. Then even in public. Oh, she's breastfeeding already. Kita ba? Oh, hindi naman, di ba? Oh, see? She's breastfeeding. So it is really easy to use. You can't even see it on the side. Okay. She's busy. Okay then. Just love this. And the style is really fashionable, especially I love this because it's fashionable. Oh. Even moms like me can do some fashion here, right? Oh. We will disturb her now. Okay. Tia. Tia. Okay. Wait a minute. Tia. She's sleeping already. Here. Oh. Should be done now.
Ubus na.
Thank you for watching.
Ubus na.